Hi everyone, welcome back to Cook with Keely. Today we are going to make homemade omelets. For this recipe, you will need 2 large eggs and any other ingredients that you would like. For my omelet, I am using spinach, bacon, and mozzarella cheese. First thing you will need to do is crack and beat your eggs. Then turn the stove on low. Now that your pan is warmed up, spray it with olive oil and then put your eggs in. After your eggs have been in the pan for about 30 seconds, you can start adding your ingredients. When the omelet is ready, the bottom should look like this. When the bottom of the omelet looks like that, you can flip it over like this. Oh, man. Leave your omelet there for about another minute. Then flip your omelet. Leave your omelet there for another 30 seconds and then it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more. Bye! Bye! Hi everyone, welcome back to Cook with Keely. Today we're making homemade omelets. Now that your pan is warmed up, after you clean your eggs.